Hey, hi my friends, my seniors, welcome to my channel. I am Prativ Barman here talking with you, and this video is a very important, very beneficial video for all the students like me. Because guys, in this video, I will tell you and I will give you a secret technique. Yes, that I use very much. And if you use this technique, very easily you will be able to learn any subject. Any chapter. Not a subject, we can't learn, just the chapter. You can memorize the chapter, you can understand this chapter, you can learn the chapter, doesn't matter from where the question will come, you can answer that question very easy if you follow this one technique. Okay, after a lot of experiments I found this technique, and this technique, it's very easy to do. Don't worry, you don't need anything extraordinary things, normal things. Just you have to follow this, you have to do it continuously, regularly. Just take any chapter. Okay, doesn't matter what is this chapter. It may be English, it may be Hindi, Bengali, it may be science, it may be SST, geography, history. Okay, any chapter. First, read this chapter. Okay, I will tell you step by step. There are lots of steps that you have to follow. Okay, so that's why I am telling to you, don't miss any part of this video, because if you miss a single second also, you are gonna miss a whole part. That's why step by step, understand, give this time. This video is very important. Okay, first read the chapter. Read it, because reading is very important. If you don't read, then you will not understand anything of the chapter. Okay, I am telling you a technique. That doesn't mean that I will say you don't have to read anything. You have to read, you have to study, you have to first of all clear all of your confusions. You can see lectures in the YouTube, you can see lots of YouTube videos about the chapter if you are especially in class 9, class 10, 11, 12, because I am also in class 9. First, before reading, no, don't see a lecture before reading the chapter. First, examine yourself that how much I can understand without watching any kinds of videos. I do it specially. First, I read the whole chapter, and then after reading that chapter, I see lectures in the YouTube. Okay, lectures about that chapter, because how much lectures I see, I just solve my confusions, because lots of confusions are there which will not go by reading. If by reading you can just pass all of your confusions, or if you understand the whole chapter very good and also very perfectly, then it's very good, it's very nice, excellent work. But if you are like me, okay, if you just lots of confusion build in your mind, then watch lectures, not just one video, 2 video, 3 video, 4 video. Okay, because how much you will see videos, different videos, then you will learn more from them. Like one sir or one teacher will teach you in their own way, but another will teach you in another different way. So when you will just put lots of ways and lots of solutions, or when you will watch the video of lots of people videos, okay, there are lots of channels also, so just subscribe them, follow them, then you will have more idea about the chapter. Okay, after understanding, after reading, after watching lecture, we everyone do till this. Okay, but after doing this, still lots of time we forget about the chapter, we forget about the if I have read a chapter, then if I go to the another chapter, I forget the past chapter. Okay, but now you have to do one thing, just a little work you have to do. After understanding the whole chapter, okay, after reading the whole chapter, make notes, small notes about the basic things, about the main structure of that chapter, and then explain them. Yes, explanation is a very powerful and effective work. If you can do this, then the chapter will be very easy for you, and you can possess the chapter more beautifully and more good. That chapter will never go out from your brain. Okay, what do you have to do? Just explain the chapter, what you have understood from that chapter after reading, explain them. Now you don't have to explain to someone, explain to yourself. Take the phone, take the camera, record, and just speak. Just speak sentence, lines. Just explain like a storytelling. So, like today, I will talk about cell, the fundamental unit of life. Today, I'm gonna talk about matter. What is matter? What is the structure of the matter? Okay, today I will talk about physics chapter. Like I will talk about the motion, laws of like Newton first law, Newton second law. Just this, what you have understand, what you are understanding, just say it, explain it. Like think that you are a YouTuber and you have a channel, and now you will give that chapter one shot video. You think that you are making that one shot video, and then just make videos, explain that chapter to yourself. That explanation will help you to possess the chapter more good and more beautiful. This is this small technique. Yes, this is the technique. Just believe me, try, and you will see results. Definitely you will see results. That chapter will never go from your mind. And you have to also be continuous, because nowadays, like I am also in class 9, I am understanding that like class 1 to 8 is a different period, and from class 9 to 12 it's another different period. Okay, you have to just read regularly. You need a consistency. Okay, like if you have read a chapter and then if you go to the another chapter, then obviously we everyone face this problem that we forget that past chapter or the first chapter. So just balance them. If I am reading this, if I have completing this chapter, it doesn't mean that I have completed it for my whole life. Now I don't have to read. Just read. Okay, in the middle time, if you just think that the sentences and also the questions, they are not coming in your brain, then just see the chapter, but only with a little sceneries, and it will be very easy for you. So it was the video, a small technique video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye to you. Remember, nothing is little. I will come back in another next video with another new technique. Okay, that's why don't forget to subscribe my channel, like this video, and also that's why for few days I am also making few one shot videos. Okay, one shot videos, then they don't get views. I also don't want to. Just I am doing for my own practice and for my own development. What I am understanding, I am telling to you, and this is also a practice. I am just sharing my practice. Bye bye.